Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change app icon and app name in Flutter. Okay, first of all open up this Android folder and this app folder and src folder and main folder and this file and Android manifest.xml file. Open this and over here let's change this counter app to the label. Let's change this counter app to let's say mousy app and save it. Okay, now let's open up the Android folder and app folder and this build.gradle. Okay, this build.gradle and let's put here, let's go to the Google and search for NDK version. I will get this link. Let's put the copy this latest NDK version and paste it here so that will not get the error to open the app in the emulator. So let's close this now. Close this folder also. Now let's run the app in the emulator. Okay, let's minimize the app and let's see here. Our app name is now emoji app. Okay, so let's send this icon also. So go to the pop.tip and search for Flutter launcher icons. Take this one, which has like 1.59 million downloads for now. Click on it. Okay, and roll down and copy this URL. Copy this codes. Remove this code. Up to here and paste it to date instances. Over here, pubspec.yaml file and below this Flutter links. You can paste it here like this and you can also set the minimum SD to 100 to 21 as default. Okay, let's add mix here. Okay, let's create a new folder. Let's say set folder and let's put the events. Okay, I'm going to put this micro. Okay, this icon to the offset folder and let's set the path here. Offset. We have new folder. Offset slash icon dot png. Okay, now click on this get fragrances. Okay, we're not between the middle. Now let's remove this emoji app from our device. Okay. From setting, let's remove it. And let's restart the app again. Then let's see now. Okay, it's not changing, so we have to run the command. Let's run this command, Flutter pop run. Launcher icons to main. Okay, as you can see, it's overwriting the default IS launcher and adding a new IS Android launcher. Okay, creating default icons Android. Okay, now open up the emulator and now let's delete this from setting. Let's this app and let's try to run the app again. Okay, as you can see, we get getting this now icon and let's minimize the app. Now here, as you can see, this app icon has been changed. Now this is how you can change the app icon and app name. Okay, you have to paste this code like this, otherwise you will get error. Okay, just paste this code below this letter names. Okay, like this, otherwise you will get error. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.